What's going on, guys? It's your boy Julius with Exclusive, back at it with another one, man. And today I'm finally gonna get Project Gsxr on a dyno. Essentially, I told him what's going on at around 7,000 RPMs, and he said there might be something wrong. So what we're gonna do today is just to run a diagnostic on the dyno. He's gonna get on there, put the bike on there, run it a few times, see what's going on. He said I might have something wrong with my fuel pump. So we'll see. And once we do that, if there's anything that needs to be changed, we will go ahead and take the bike down. I'll go ahead and make those changes, bring it back, and get it completely tuned. So let's go ahead and check out the dyno, man. I'm excited. I haven't had this bike on the dyno. I'm ready to see what kind of power it puts out, although I know it's not gonna be a lot right now, but I'm still excited. So let's get to it. I'm here right now. Check it out.
Yeah, it runs terrible.
Yeah. So as you can see in that picture, the bike is only at 80 horsepower. I don't know why I thought my bike was fast as hell. To me, I was having the time of my life. I got 80 horses. I'm kind of stunned to even see that. So what I ended up doing is I ended up leaving the bike over there at the shop. That way he can check it out, run a few things, and right after he changes whatever needs to be changed, put it back on the dyno. It would be difficult for me to check something out, see if that was the problem, take it back to the dyno, back and forth, back and forth. So I figured, let me go ahead and allow this man to do his thing. He's a professional mechanic. See if he can find what the issue is. We're looking at throttle bodies, wiring. As you guys know, I did have some problems with the wiring when I was trying to put everything back together. I lost some of my labels, so it could very well be something small, but it'll just be easier for him to just do it right there on the dyno and keep running it. So I'm gonna leave it there for a few days, see what's going on. The fuel map, if you guys ever seen a dyno, the top few lines are the horsepower lines. On the bottom half of the charts is the fuel map. The fuel map is running mad lean, and it looks like an EKG. It's just going up and down and up and down. So it's definitely something electronic going on with the bike. I'm not sure if it's just the ECU trying to work with everything or whatever, but instead of just trying to tune it, we're gonna actually find out what's going on and hopefully go from there. So we'll see you guys in a few days, and hopefully I should be at 130 horses minimum, like minimum. So 80, that's not gonna work. I did a motor swap and got less power, so we'll see where it's at. I'll see you guys in a few days. Oh man, what's going on, guys? It has been 3 weeks since I've had the bike. This man has gone through, why is it playing? Let me fix this real quick. This man has gone through all the systems. I did have a few injector wires that were backed or that were crossed. I got maybe 10 more horses out of that, so I'm at 90. I'm still pushing out less horsepower than the 600 motor was. So I'm not sure what it is at this point. We were thinking it could just be a bad ECU, but it doesn't really make sense for that just to be the only issue. So I'm just kind of stuck right now, man. I'm hoping this wasn't a fail. I'm gonna run it on 80 horses or whatever, but I'm just hoping it wasn't a fail. I think there might just be too many things in the bike that aren't working well with the computer. As you guys know, it's a Frankenstein, so I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do at this point. Like I said, it's been 3 weeks. I'm tempted to just tell the guy, let me pick it up. I just want to ride it. 80 horses or not, I was having fun, to be honest. I'm not a fast rider. It's gonna suck. I did a whole 750 swap and got a slower bike, waste of money, but you live and you learn. I think the best thing to do would have been to get the same generation 750 motor. Since I crossed generations, it was a lot of work that I had to do, and the ECU just doesn't know what to do to compensate for it. And a lot of these tuners don't really know how to compensate or make the ECU compensate for it. So I think it's a learning experience. So if you guys ever do a motor swap, it works. I've seen people do it plenty of times, but they've never crossed generations. Stick with your generation. You have the same ECU, throttle, bodies, frame, all that good stuff. But crossing generations, man, that might have been my mistake. That might have been my drawback. And if I have to do it all over again, I'll get that 2009 750 motor instead of that 2011. So who knows? I might have a motor up for sale soon. Anyway, yeah, a little bit disappointed. It's been 3 whole weeks, man. I'm gonna give it a few more days and just tell him, yo, let me get it. So we'll see. All right, check back. Man, finally, this man texted me at like 6 in the morning and said that the bike was done. It's got 130 horses, exactly where I should be at. I'm excited. I'm ready to go pick it up. This thing keeps getting blurry on me. All right, but yeah, man, I'm excited. He said it was just a number of different things. He reset the TPS. That's the throttle positioning sensor. We also went through all the part numbers on the different bikes to see what was different and what was not. And it turns out the cams on the 2011 motor are different. So the timing and all that stuff was just throwing off the computer and all that good stuff. So he went ahead and threw a tune on it. And it's been like 3.5 weeks. I'm about to go get the bike back. I do need a tire. I'll throw a picture of the tire right here real quick so you guys can see what that thing looks like. Yeah, I do need a tire. My belts are coming out. He ran that thing on the dyno so much that I'm literally, I need a new tire. So I'm gonna get him to put a new tire on it. Just some Shinkos. That's what I got on the front. I don't want to cross different tires and stuff. So once that front tire burns out with the back, then I'll go ahead and change them up. But for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and put a Shinko on the back again and just run it through. So let's check out the bike. Let's check out the dyno. Let's go. I got Project Gsxr back at the crib, man. I'm excited. Unfortunately, I'm in South Florida, and it's supposed to rain for like the next 3 days, so I'm not gonna be able to do a first ride on Project Gsxr for a few days on the new and improved Project Gsxr. I already did a first ride, but I got 50 more horses now, so I was already having fun. I'm excited to see what this thing feels like now. So anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff, man. I appreciate it. Every interaction that you have with my video helps. If you could hit play, go shower, go cook, whatever it is you need to do, it helps me out. I appreciate you guys. Stay tuned for the next video. Stay tuned for the first ride. I'll see you guys next time.